Good morning, everybody. I've got a question for you today that says, do you like porridge? Now, this is my bag of porridge here. It's quite a big bag because it's actually going to go to nursery and we're going to use it for lots of things. And now this porridge needs to be cooked first. I don't know if you've ever had porridge. Have you ever had some porridge? If you haven't, you might find it a hard question to answer. Do you like porridge? Now, if your mums and dads or whoever's looking after you at the moment has got some porridge, perhaps they could make some for you so that you could taste some, or maybe you could put it on your shopping list for next time you actually go shopping, just so that you could have a little taste. Because in the Three Bears house, they'd cooked porridge and left it to cool down. So we know it has to go hot. Now, if you haven't had it before, maybe you will like it, maybe you won't like it. But ask the people in your house, do you like porridge? Now, I've got a piece of paper here and I've just written it down on my notepad. Do you like porridge? And I've got a smiley face here because we're going to ask some people. And if they like it, then they're going to write their name on it. And if they don't like it, then they can put it near there. Or you might want to put a smiley face near a bowl, and then we can get a piece of paper and put their name in it so we can count out how many people like it. Now, I like porridge, so I'm just going to write my name on there. I like porridge, so Mrs. Gaddis likes porridge. Mrs. Gaddis. And I know that my mum really doesn't like porridge. So if I said to my mummy, do you like porridge? She would say, no, I really don't like porridge. So I'm going to write Mum, because that's my mum. She doesn't like it. But if I ask my dad has porridge almost every day for breakfast. And he's quite an old man now, but he loves having porridge. And he doesn't even like having he doesn't like having sugar on his porridge. He likes having salt on his porridge. It's very strange. Some people like having lots of different things on their porridge. Maybe you could make a list and ask people if they can write their name, and then we can count up how many people like porridge. I've got 2 boys that live at my house and they both like porridge. So I've got one that's called Fraser and he likes porridge. And I've got one that's called Rory and he likes porridge too. So if I was to count up how many people in my family like porridge, I don't live with my mum and dad, but I could phone them up and ask them. 1, 2, 3, 4 people like porridge in my family. And one person, doesn't like porridge. So I can see straight away. Now I might get 1 cube for each of these people, and I could make a bit of a tower to see which of the towers was going to be the biggest, so that I could count them up and do it in a building block sort of way, or maybe some Lego or something like that. So perhaps over the next few days you could have a go at making some porridge, tasting it, seeing if you like it, seeing if you don't. Maybe you could do a bit of a list about asking your family. You might have to phone them up, you might have to FaceTime them and say, Grandma, do you like porridge? I've got to find out for school. And then they can tell you and you can add it onto your list. Okay, have fun finding out about porridge and I'll see you soon. Bye.